Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you the AR-15 bolt carrier group. I'm going to show you how to disassemble it, show you how it operates, and show you how it operates in the rifle. First thing we want to do is make sure we're clear. Drop our mag, cycle our charging handle. Good shape there. Now we got the bolt carrier group removed from the rifle. On the front you can see the bolt. You can see your cam pin. You can see your stake gas key. It's held on with 2 bolts and it's always staked. What that means is you've got little chisel marks that hold the bolts, that will keep the bolts tight on the gas key. Inside you got your firing pin, then you've got your firing pin, retainer pin. First thing you want to do is remove your pin. Your firing pin will come right out. Now on your cam pin, you want to rotate it 90 degrees. It should lift right out. And then your bolt will come right out. That should be all you have to disassemble to clean it. Every time I shoot my rifle, make sure you clean your bolt carrier group, which most everybody does. And how this operates in the rifle: on the front of your AR, you've got a sight that's a gas block. Not all ARs. This is the old style Bushmaster. It's got the gas block made in the front sight. You can see you got a hole in your barrel that connects to your gas block. On your gas block you've got a tube. You can see it. It runs all the way down outside of the barrel into the front of the rifle, front of the lower unit. And whenever you install your bolt carrier group, your gas key goes in that tube. And whenever you shoot, pressure from the barrel will make the gun cycle. That's what operates the gas system on a bolt carrier group. Once you've got your bolt carrier group cleaned, you want to reinstall everything. You can put the bolt in the carrier group any way you want, doesn't matter. But once you get ready to install your cam pin, it will only go in one direction. You can see on the bottom of your bolt, you've got these little indentations here. Your cam pin will not go in that direction. It's got to go that way. And what that does, that will determine the position of your extractor on one side and your ejector on the other. That's what keeps everything in line. Your extractor will pull the cartridge, the empty cartridge, out of the chamber, and when it reaches full cycle, the ejector will eject it out of the rifle. Like I say, you put it in there any way you want. Rotate it to where you see the right side. And on your cam pin, you can see it's got a hole in it. That's where your firing pin goes through. That's what keeps your firing pin in your rifle. Well, the retaining pin will do that, but that's what lets it cycle. Start your cam pin. You want to rotate it 90 degrees. Line your hole up. Firing pin will go right in it. Go in. That'll hold your firing pin. That's fully assembled. Then you want to pull your charging handle back. That's a complete setup. Hey guys, I appreciate you watching.